Okay, so for this problem, it says, how do I find a side length of a regular polygon, triangle, and hexagon, only given the area is 64? Well, in this case, I'm going to assume that both the triangle and hexagon have the same side length because it doesn't tell us otherwise. So in order to solve the problem, I'm using the area formulas for both shapes. So for the triangle, the area is 1/2 base times the height. So I plug in 64 as the area and then divide by 1/2 to get 1/2 on the other side, which means I flip the fraction and multiply 64 by 2. And I get 128 equals base times height. Then I use the area formula for the hexagon, which is 3 square root 3 over 2, a squared, and I solve for a. So I get 3 square root 3 over 2 is approximately 2.6, and then I divide that from a squared. So I do the same thing on the other side, 64 divided by 2.6. I get 24.6 equals a squared, and then square root that, and I get a equals 4.96. Now I'm going to plug in 4.96 into this equation because I'm assuming that my sides of my hexagon are the same as my base, my sides of my triangle. Okay, so if I plug in 4.9 for my base, I do 128 divided by 4.9. 4.96, and I should get B, or I should get H, excuse me. So 128 divided by 4.96, I'm using my calculator, I get approximately 25.8. 0.8. Now, since it doesn't give us inches, centimeters, any measure, a unit of measurement, I am just going to write units as my label for my answer.